Framer Parallax Scroll. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for framer.com in the search bar. Once the site loads, log into your account. If you don't have one, you need to create one first. After successfully logging in and reaching the homepage, go to the top right corner and click the New Project button. Inside your new project workspace, begin by changing the background to whatever color or image you prefer. Once the background is set, insert the object or other images that you want into the project to start designing whatever you want. After completing your basic design layout, you can add text by selecting the text tool and typing whatever you want on the top of the project. Then, click on the text element, go to the right-hand panel, find the effects section, and add the scroll speed effect to it. Next, choose other images and add scroll transform effect, and adjust its settings however you want to match your desired movement or appearance. Once everything is set, click the preview option at the top of the page to see your created parallax effect.